model TG-12x4 granite bed, high accuracy ram bed with CNC wheel dress machine. Here we are showing our Bedrock series of the Royal Master Centerless grinder with high accuracy ram bed and CNC wheel dressing. This series of grinders has a platform foundation of 8-inch thick surface plate quality Vermont granite machined with coolant trough waves. The engineering behind this substantial platform is to provide increased static stiffness under grind load, maintain thermal stability during production runs, and isolate vibration from the grinding area. All of this is to result in closer tolerance capabilities. Secondary benefits include improved coolant containment both above the bed and in discharging to the filter. We are grinding a diesel fuel injector needle valve to sub-micron tolerances. This part is used in a locomotive diesel engine for reduced exhaust emissions. Available with the Bedrock series are options for CNC regulating wheel dresser, acoustic emission sensor reading the part grind and dressing tool contact with grinding wheel, dynamic wheel balancing, speed control of grinding wheel with frequency inverter, volumetric stock removal equation program for controlling in-feed rate for faster stock removal, a full machine enclosure which still allows easy access for startup, automatic work rest holder advancement and positioning to maintain work rest blade position after dressing, a new magazine feeder designed with an easy loading hopper for long production runs. The Lobex lobing detection system by LaserLink can perform real-time analysis of centerless ground products to detect and report a constant diameter but out of ground condition due to lobing of any frequency. Above the granite surface plate machine bed is our high accuracy ram bed with servo motor driven ball screw over frictionless cross rollerways with glass scale linear encoder. The resolution of this scale and motor is 1/10 of a micron. The granite also provides a mounting surface for the CNC work wheel dresser behind the main spindle. With this dresser we have both a rotary disc and a single point diamond traveling over 2 axes of Schneeberger linear rails and linear motor with 1/8 micron resolution. It has a hydrostatic spindle on the work wheel CNC dressing spindle. There's a full bed swivel adjustment on the ram bed. There's a regulating wheel servo drive system, lateral adjustment to the regulating wheel housing, a tool tray on an articulated arm to keep your tools and hand mic high and dry yet within easy reach. The machine control is one of the most user-friendly in the industry. We have a new fresh look to operating screens. We have touchscreen operator interface with Windows-based machine control. It is intuitive and does not require any programming skills. There are multiple language screen displays available. The machine controls have simplified connections of accessories such as feeders and gauges for both through-feed and in-feed grinds. We have internet connectivity with the utility for the machine to email production statistics at a scheduled frequency. For more information on this product and for an evaluation of how it might benefit your grind application, contact Royal Master Grinders at royalmaster.com.